In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google Drive and effectively copy text from a PDF file. This is going to be a straightforward guide, perfect for those who might be new to Google Drive or are just looking for a refresher on how to manage their documents more efficiently. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head on over to Google Drive. You can do this by typing drive.google.com into your address bar. Once you hit enter, you'll be taken to your Google Drive homepage. For those of you who may not be familiar, Google Drive is a fantastic cloud storage service that allows you to save and share files across the internet with ease, which makes it easier to access your documents from anywhere at any time. Once you're on Google Drive, the next step is to locate a PDF file that has been shared with you. PDFs are commonly used for sharing read-only documents, and they often require a specific method to extract text. This task is common in many settings, whether you're a student needing to quote information for a project or a professional pulling data from a report. If you can't easily find the PDF on your main Drive page, you might want to use the search bar at the top for a quicker lookup. Just type in the name of the file or relevant keywords, and it should appear in your search results. After opening the document, you'll want to pick out the section of text you wish to copy. To do this, simply click and drag your mouse over the text you need, highlighting it as you go. When you've selected the desired text, hover over it and perform a right-click with your mouse. This will bring up a context menu. In this menu, you'll find several options, but what you're looking for is the Copy function. Go ahead and click Copy to copy the highlighted text to your clipboard. This feature is a staple of most text editing and viewing applications, making it a familiar process for many users. Keep in mind that this step will not remove the text from the PDF. It only makes a copy so you can paste it elsewhere. And just like that, you're done. You can now paste the copied text wherever you need it, whether it's in a Google Doc, an email, or any other text editor of your choice. Simply navigate to the destination, right-click within the document, and select Paste from the context menu. Alternatively, you could use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste the text. This skill is not only fundamental, but also incredibly useful for daily tasks, making your interaction with digital documents more efficient. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you with a new level of productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.